Hello and good morning. Another fine day to be working and happy. Welcome to a video of Artisan Automotive. If you haven't seen any videos from us before, we are the guys that clean your cars and make them fresh all over the country. Today we have two beautiful beasts in for some artisan love. The first one is this beauty from my boy Diddy, Megane RS. Not just your normal RS, this is the trophy edition with the lightweight wheels. Whew, the short shift, is it open? No, it's not, so I'll have a look at that in a sec. Good man. Let's have a look. Both doors open. Let's have a look. So this has the short shift, the bucket seats, Alcantara steering wheel, absolute beast. And the next car, some artisan love, is this beast. Now this is E63 AMG in satin grey, 4MATIC bi-turbo. Look at it, absolute. This isn't your normal, this is the S, so this is coming in for some artisan protection detail. Get the car looking fresh, just been purchased by the owner. Let's get these two bad boys down to the unit and do what we do best. Can you hear that? Woo! Wind down the window a little bit. You might hear the turbo. So the steering cycle on this is incredible. Oh! You hear that? Can you guys hear that? Oh! Oh my days! This car is an animal. This car is an absolute animal. I need this car in my life. It's an absolute tool. I cannot say I'm not enjoying this. It's still not warm yet, so can't really see what this is about. And if you look up here, you can see the E63 looking like an absolute beast. Time to get these beasts cleaned. Stand side. So current situation, the Megane is inside getting its wax and protection on the wheels. Next up is this beautiful thing, the E63. So time to get these cleans, do a decontamination, fallout remover, and tar in the lower areas across the whole car. Wheels decontaminated and then protected. Absolute beauty. A little bit dirty. Nonetheless, time for us to do what we do. So the two beasts are nearly complete. The Megane, stunning. Look at this. RS trophy. Some custom work to it. We've got coilovers, the lowered stance. We've got a remap. We've got the Aquapovich exhaust system. We've got the short shifter on the interior. No seats in the back. Look at this. Choice. Absolute stunner. Let's take it to the inside of the car so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Steering wheel has been cleaned. All the interior, including the short shifter. All the dash. Look at that. This was in the Artisan protection. Looking fresh. Look at this. So that's one beast done. I'm going to take you outside in a second. I'm going to show you the second beast. Mercedes E63. This ain't your normal E63, this is the S in satin grey. Have a look at this. Beauty came for some eyes and love. So both the beasts are now complete. This is now going to be on our regular direct debit plan, so it'll be maintained every 2 weeks to make sure the paintwork is looking fresh. Other than that, what can I say, man? Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't done it already, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. But for now, whatever you do it well. So the two beasts are back home and in safe hands. Look at these two bad boys. D100Y and D200Y. That's the end of the video. Hopefully you liked it. For now, whatever you do, do it well.